Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna try my hand in making this body oil. So I leaned on my friend Chat GPT. I said, Chat, help me out. And I said, I need to make me a body oil for my dry skin. Then first, Chat gave me all these fancy ingredients, and I was like, Chat, all I got is, I told him the oils I had. So Chat came up with a great combination for me. And we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Hold on. Okay, so again, Chat told me these extra, ingredients, and I was like, okay, Chat, I ain't got that. I got some grapeseed oil. I got some avocado oil. I got a little bit of jojoba oil left over, and I got some black Jamaican castor oil. Right? I forgot to tell Chat that I do have a little bit of sweet almond, and I had a little smidgen of some vitamin E oil. And I was able to find me a little 8-ounce jar, which makes it easier because I did tell Chat that I needed a jar that's close to 8 ounces. And then I will be pouring it into this tall one right here. I can't get the label off. This will be working with though, but this is a bottle that I made a while ago for something else. Okay, so my first item that Chat told me to pour is 3 ounces of grapeseed oil. I don't have anything to measure it out. I'm gonna eyeball it since this is an 8-ounce container, right? And then it says 2 ounces of avocado oil. We can pour that in there too. Okay. Okay, we need a little bit more because like 2 and 5 should at least get me, a little higher. With this being 8 ounces, you feel me? Let me add a little bit more and be a little bit more generous. There we go. We should be about right there. And then my jojoba oil, it says 1 ounce of that. Pour that in here. I hate to use all this jojoba oil because it's expensive, but we gonna work today. And then it says 1.5 ounce of black Jamaican castor oil. I don't mind adding a little extra of that because I got a little more than that than jojoba oil. So we're gonna roll that up in there. And just to be extra, we're gonna add some sweet almond because this is all I have left over. I'll just buy some more. I had that for a while. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of vitamin E. Now I do need something to stir this with. Hold on. Okay, I couldn't find nothing to stir with, but I did pull out me a little dropper. Okay, and we're gonna mix that really, really good. Mix this oil up. Now I do have a little bit of lemongrass oil. I'm gonna add that in there for fragrance because I like lemongrass. You put what you like in there. I would have put peppermint if I had some. I'm gonna put some drops of that in here. Oh, it smells good. Now I do have my other bottle to pour it in. And I'm gonna move my dropper because I can't do that with that right now. And I'm gonna carefully pour this in. Keeping in mind that, it's gonna take a while for it to go in, and I don't want to over pour it and be too messy with it. It's dripping a little. It's okay. It's okay. But that's everything right there. And I'm gonna let that piece of oil sit to the side because I'm gonna rub that together and put that on me. Yes, indeed. I still made a mess. Hold on. And even though I made a mess, I don't care, y'all. It came out really, really good. I just set it inside here for F it. But I'm gonna go ahead and push this in because I still have to put my top in there. And pretty much that's my oil, guys. Let me clean up so I can, get right with y'all. Alright, so I already got all the water out of my pump. And I'm going to stick that in here because it should fit. It's a little bit coming out, but I'm okay with that. And I just got me a wipe to clean the side of my jar real good. And more than likely, I'll get like some alcohol and clean the rest of it up. But this is what I got left over. And I do have a little small jar I can place that inside of. But for right now, that is it. That is all. I've already used like the excess oil and rubbed on my body already. So I'm just going to be a sister smelling like lemongrass because I love lemongrass. And that's it. That's all. Just a quick little oil situation. And I really don't have to use the pump. I can just pour it out. Just a little bit left over right here. You can see me rub it on my hand or something. And that way I can get some oil that I know what's in this. So I don't mind, you know, it going into my bloodstream or whatever, you know, as it relates to oils. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right.